This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhoneAppReview.com. We're slinging out yet another video review today. This time, take a look at an application that handles all of your social media networks in one single app, dealing mostly with pictures. So if you're into just photo viewing on these networks and you're not so much a fan of all the other rubbish that comes with it, then Picti is really the app for you. This application clocks in at $2.99 in the iTunes App Store, as opposed to, the Android App Store. But with that instruction, let's go ahead and boot this thing up and then show you how it works. I have added my Facebook. You are going to have to add, accounts. You can add a Facebook, a Picasa, a MySpace, Flickr, or VKontakte, if that's what you're into. Pardon my accent there, I had to. So it's quite a wide range of photo sources, so to speak. To the developers, really quick, we are sort of interested, I guess is the word. And the fact that Twitter is not here. We love some Twitter, and also there are a few others like Instagram and stuff that might be harder to code. And we understand the Twitter API is a little bit different, but just a little weird those things aren't there. Pardon my cough. So here's how the application works. You boot this up, you add your sources, and then all of them are displayed in this sort of, I don't know what we call it, photo wall with these nice, just gorgeous little cutouts showing you the photos that are here. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick one of these to show you. I guess to give you an introduction. So obviously you click on any of these tiles to take a deeper look at what's going on. So I'm going to click my girlfriend's here, and then just you can view the photos at will. Just flick through them, and there they are, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead and go back, and if you've noticed, you do have like and comment buttons going on here, so that's really quite a fantastic boon. You can go and you can tag specific people, you can like things, you can type comments if you would like, and then if you'd like to share a photo, you can also go here and then do it in a variety of ways. You can save it, print it, send it, tweet it, and assign to contact. We like the fact that Twitter is here again. We're just kind of piqued by the fact that it's not actually a photo source. So that is the basic idea behind this app. You get a couple other features. You have your friends list that you can slide through, and of course if you had different sources, these would be loaded via a, they would have a different icon attached with them. So if you had a Picasa friend, which I haven't added any of those accounts, but I could have wanted to very quickly, they would be here with a different icon. So you'd have all of your friends and all of your photos in one place, but the icon would show you where it came from, and slightly different features depending on the service, of course, as far as comments and likes, etc. go. So that's really fantastic. Basically, it's an amalgamation of every sort of social media site that we use, sort of stored into one application where we still can access things and communicate with our friends, but at the same time, it's sort of distilled into just a photo experience, a photogenic one, we could say, which is something that we're really interested in because we typically just like the photos, we'll be honest. We don't really care for the other stuff. If you'd like to see your own photos, you can do that here. So for instance, I could boot up my illustrations folder, which should take just a second to load, and then there's a lot of the stuff that I have created in the past. So that's the basics behind that. There are filters that you can filter out specific people with if you would like. You can do a variety of other functions so that you only see the sources that you would like as well. All of that is in here. So to give a final wrap up on Picti, we think it's slightly expensive for the price. We would have much rather paid $1.99 or even 99 cents. We feel like $1.99 would have been the more appropriate choice for this. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's got the same pull down to refresh menu that's actually sort of stock in these applications these days, and we really like that. It's a brilliant little design twist. Whoever came up with that out of Twitter is just a genius. So there's that, and we do like the fact that it, sort of distills your social media experience into one single unit, which is nice. We enjoyed that quite a lot. The photo viewing is excellent. The design of the interface is flawless in terms of getting your photos to you quickly and in a format that's easy to read and easy to look at. So all of that is ace. It's a little sluggish when you first boot it up. It runs off of a cache, which I will show you. Never mind, I guess I won't. But, it runs off of a cache, so you can go in and then delete that at any point in time. But it runs a little heavy, so it's a little slow. But other than that, the application is just fantastic. We really appreciate the fact that we can get all of our photos in one go through multiple social networks. So with all of that in mind, we are going to give this a 4 out of 5 star rating. That's a 4 out of 5 for Picti, which is available for $2.99 in the App Store. And that's pretty much all we have to say about it, other than VKontakte. Yeah, that's all we have to say about it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.